Hello. Today, this is a quick intro to what the next playlist is going to be about. You can see around me here all these logos, and what I've done is I'm setting up for doing an introduction and how to design, build, use these game tools. So above me is GDevelop, which is a 2D platform. We're going to start there. It allows you to make all sorts of two-dimensional games, but I want to start kind of back in time. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the 2D and we're going to work forward. Below that is Core. Core is a new kind of technology. It's a service. So it's all in the cloud. You log into their servers, and their servers allow you to use their assets and build a game, various types of games. And it's built on top of the Unreal 4.2 engine. So that's a pretty good tool for if you just want to get into game design, doesn't cost you anything, and you want to use relatively modern tools, but you can't build assets or don't want to build assets. It gets you in there, it gets you started, and it lets you work with significant amount of assets. Then we've got Game Guru Max, which I've already been doing quite a few tutorials on. I have another playlist, and as new features come out, I will be adding to that playlist. However, it is a very good tool for working within the constraints of what the tool can do. Right now, it's mostly first-person shooter. It will have role-playing game and puzzle capabilities added to it in the future, but for now it's mostly first-person shooter. That being said, it is a really good tool for learning how to build landscapes, terrains, get familiar with all those concepts before moving into some of these other platforms. Unity is a tool that I've used quite a bit of. Sorry, I'm opposite mirror on the camera on here. So Unity, I have a lot of tools and assets that I have purchased for game development with it in the past. I've made a small, massive multiplayer role-playing game as proof of concept with it, just to make sure that the mechanics and the engine and stuff work. I haven't really done anything for content or anything with that. And then you've got the big hitter up top there, Unreal Engine 5. And that'll be the last one we jump into. But we will go over the different interfaces of all of these products, and we will go over the designing a world and how to build that out. So that's what we're going to do, and hopefully along the way you'll learn something about how the industry's evolved and where the technology began. So welcome, and I hope you enjoy the playlist, and I hope you watch it through. Even if some of these don't interest you, I still think you can learn a lot from them, and each one has a lot to offer that some of the other ones don't, and it'll really help flush out the overall picture of what it is to develop games and build worlds. Mostly building worlds. The game mechanics are all have to be used, but my focus is mostly on using these tools to build your world and to build your adventure. So on that note, let's get started on the next one. Have a great day.